This is the amazing Tre'r Ceiri on the northern coast of the Llŷn Peninsula in North Wales. It's an amazing sight, and one of my favourite historians, John Davis, described it like this in his book History of Wales. He said, there are many cliff castles along the coasts of Gwynedd also. In addition, Gwynedd has one of the most remarkable prehistoric sites in Britain, the settlement of Tre'r Ceiri on the slopes of Yr Eifl. It's surrounded by a stone wall which in places is still as much as 4 meters in height, and within the walls are the ruins of about 150 stone huts. There's evidence that the village was occupied in the Roman period, but it appears that its beginnings belong to the years around 200 BC. The huts, with their thick walls and turf roofs, were no doubt quite snug, but it's reasonable to assume, as Tre'r Ceiri is over 400 metres above sea level, that the huts were the habitation of summer shepherds whose winter dwellings in the lowlands have long been obliterated.